Well, hello. Here we are with the Diamondback Outlook. This is the final segment I'll have on this. Let's see. I did some things off camera. I cabled it up, a shifting cable and brake cables. Let's get in closer here. This is a TD1 Shimano derailleur, I got a Shimano, I think it's an SIS front derailleur on it. Some kind of cranks, not sure. It's got some old beat up pedals I had left over. Let's see. I put a new seat on it. Of course, their tires are about a year old. The rims came off a Roadmaster. I think it was a 98. There is the cockpit. It's got red grips and the red brake cables. I didn't have any red shifting cables, so I couldn't do nothing with that. It is TD1 friction shifters. This is the other side of the bicycle. Let's see. What else was there? The V-brakes came off of that donor bike I bought for $5. The brake pads are fairly new. They're about 2 or 3 years old. The V-brake hand levers came off that donor bike for $5. The handlebar and stem came off of the $5 donor bike. Let's see, what else was there? I put on an old chain I had. I don't know how old it is. Let's see, I did find a seat close clamp, a silver one to fit. The hole is so small on the seat post tube, it was hard to find one. I'm not sure if there was anything else. Like I said, this is just what I call a Ratt Dog bicycle. As you can tell, I'm up on a trail. Let me turn around, and there's another trail going that way. So I'm like in the middle of the trails, kind of. I can't ride it. My foot's still messed up. Sad, because I want to ride a bicycle, guys. So, yeah, I guess that's about all I have on that. I do have another bicycle coming up. So, y'all have a great day, and see you later.